NASCAR has announced new rules changes for teams and crews starting in 2018. Starting at the beginning of the 2018 season, NASCAR will standardize the number of at-track individuals that travel and work on each race car during a race weekend, as well as reducing the number of pit crew members over the wall from 6 to 5. They will also release official rosters that will be made public prior to a race weekend. In addition, each roster member will be assigned a number or letter based on position, which must be visible at all times on both the team's uniform and on armbands. Crews will be subdivided into 3 categories: organizational, road crew, and pit crew. At the Monster Energy NASCAR Cup Series level, teams will be allowed 3 to 4 organizational members, 12 road crew, and 5 pit crew members. Teams will be able to travel 1 additional road crew member to both road course races and the race at Indianapolis Motor Speedway. At the NASCAR Xfinity Series level, teams will be allowed 1 organizational member, 7 road crew, and 5 pit crew members. And NASCAR Xfinity Series teams will have 1 extra road crew spot available at 10 races. The NASCAR Camping World Truck Series will be allowed 1 organizational team member, 6 road crew, 5 pit crew members, and have 1 additional road crew spot available at 5 races. Organizational team members include but are not limited to competition director, team manager, technical director, and IT specialists. Road crew team members include and are not limited to the crew chief, car chief, engineers, mechanics, shock specialists, tire specialists, aero specialists, spotter, and engine tuner. And the pit crew is the designated over-the-wall crew, and in 2018, the fueler can only perform the task of fueling the vehicle. For more on this, make sure you log on to NASCAR.com. For NASCAR, I'm Jonathan Merryman.